How are every one of you doing? Thank you for returning to Shiba Inu Crypto. It was just recently that Shytosh shared with everyone this 7-day strategy for Shiba Inu to reach $3. This day's news regarding Shiba Inus. Due to recent occurrences, a significant number of individuals have expressed an interest in the concept of Shiba Inu and its own money. Starting with, it was revealed to the Shiba Inu army by Shytosh Kusama, the creator of the company and the primary programmer of the organization, that the development team is now working on a burn mechanism that will have an effect on the entire Shiba Inu ecosystem. Chip holders are highly optimistic about the future as a result of the fact that the primary Twitter account for the community is dropping hints about yet another significant update. This morning, Shytosh just revealed the 7-day strategy that will allow Shiba Inu to achieve $3. If you want to learn more, watch the movie. Headlines regarding Shibas as of today. In order to view additional expert analysis and price estimates for Shiba Inus, be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. Right immediately, let's get started with the video. Since the release of Shiba Eternity in Australia, a great deal of events have transpired. Everyone's excitement and eagerness have been amplified even further as a result of the most recent statement from the official account tweet. Through the Shiba Eternity Community Update Twitter event, the Shiba Inu team has now announced the official date for the debut of the Shiba Inu collectible card game all over the world. According to the release, the beginning of Shiba Eternity will take place on October 1. As a way to celebrate their release, members of the Shiba Inu community will refer to it as Download Day. While this is happening, the app stores for both iOS and Android will become inaccessible. As a consequence of this, there was a great deal of interest within the coin, as well as the surroundings in general. There is additional positive news regarding the environment. There is still work being done by the development team on the upgrade that is being termed Shibarium, and it is anticipated that it will be released on or around 29 September. According to the rumors, this change will make the Shiba Inu environment more adaptable and will reduce the amount of money spent on petrol for everyone, particularly gamers. At this very moment, the value of the coin ranges anywhere between 957 cents to 1,230 cents. The price of the currency is still within the same range as it was in June, which is not a favorable month for cryptocurrencies. This indicates the price of the currency. After the price had been steadily climbing from June to August, it finally began to fall. It was brought about by more widespread market factors. As a result of the increase in interest rates by 0.75% and the acceleration of inflation from the previous year, investors and traders became extremely anxious. On September 10th, the price reached its maximum peak, and since then it has plummeted by 25.6%. The price has increased to approximately 0.00001,038 USD, which is a significant increase from its previous low position from September 21st. As a result of pricing in this region, the anticipated relief rally for the token will go more smoothly. The barrier is the occurrence of the most recent dip, which took place at 1,192 cents. Due to the fact that bulls are able to readily capitalize on any breaks that occur above the 78.60 fib level, this level is of exceptional significance. Because the SHIB token is constructed on Ethereum, the value of the SHIB token could be affected by the Ethereum ecosystem. It is possible that the coin's instability will worsen as a result of the current state of the market, which results in the possibility that it will crash. That SHIB will ride the tide of growth is something that we can be certain of. Shiba Inu is one of the most well-known joke coins in the world. Nevertheless, its price has not moved much recently. In fact, it has decreased by 6% in the past week, and this is not looking good. The SHIB has the potential to assist in turning things around in its favor now that there are a lot of changes occurring in the environment. An illustration of this would be the recent announcement that the SHIB download day for Shiba Eternity will take place on October 1, 2022. During the previous year, the developers of Shiba announced that the card game Shiba Eternity would be released within the next year, and it appears that they are going to fulfill their word. Following the spread of this information, further favorable events took place, which may result in an increase in the price of Shiba. In addition to the announcement of the launch date, there was also another significant piece of news. The 5% of the money that we make from the game will be used to burn SHIB. Considering that this was positive news for long-term investments, a greater number of investors were pleased with it. 1 million tokens are destroyed by SHIB on a daily basis. Over 16 million tokens have been destroyed in the past 24 hours. A different survey came to the interesting conclusion that 30% of Shiba Inu owners keep the meme coin as a long-term investment. This is an interesting observation. As a result, the plan to use the 5% profit from SHIB Eternity and the increased burn rate give investors hope that things would get better in the more distant future. The price of the dogecoin did in fact increase once this information was made public. The price of SHIB was 1,078 cents, which was somewhat higher than the price it had been trading at over the previous 24 hours. The market size was $5,921,568,523. In a peculiar turn of events, the MVRV ratio of SHIB also increased as compared to the previous week. The social volume of the currency moved in the same way as the coins themselves. It has been gradually expanding over the course of the past few days. Despite the fact that metrics and the current price action of SHIB do not immediately indicate that a move to the north is imminent, we can anticipate that these burns will appear on SHIB's chart in the coming months as a result of all the positive news that has been reported in the community. On the other hand, the data provided by CryptoQuant demonstrated that the relative strength metric of SHIB was not undergoing any movement. Additionally, it demonstrated that the market was oversold at the same time by its stochastic. With addition, this could assist SHIB with registering an optic earlier than originally envisaged. As soon as the Shiba Inu meme coin revealed its 100595 non-fungible virtual land plot metaverse, which was referred to as Shiba Lands, whales began to take an interest in it. In its metaverse, Shiba Inu has proposed that some virtual plots, which are analogous to roadways, boulevards, and hubs, should continue to be accessible to all users throughout the metaverse. Other locations, however, will be available for purchase. Shibashishis are a collection of non-fungible tokens that are distributed on shibaswap, the decentralized market that is operated by the individuals who work on the ecosystem. Within a span of less than 24 hours, the sales of NFTs were completed successfully. The sales page, on the other hand, states that additional NFTs will be made available at some point in the future. Additional efforts are being made by the Shiba Inu platform to enhance the utility of these NFTs in the Bitcoin market. One of their goals is to create a gaming website that will allow the NFTs to be used as characters in games. Block Forest and Shiba Inu are collaborating on the development of a collection of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, for the 2022 FIFA World Cup. Cryptocurrencies are relevant to this discussion. The significance of Shiba Inus will increase as a result of this, as it will attract sports lovers from all over the world. In the course of the occasion, the leaders of the Shiba Inu community discussed many aspects of Shiba Eternity. During the course of the talk, the Crypto Basic discovered that the game will feature more than 500 cards, each of which would have thousands of different Shiboshi characteristics. In-app purchases, including card skins, card packs, in-game currency, experience point increases, and other items are going to be available in Shiba Eternity, according to the creators. In addition to that, they provided additional details regarding the Shiba Inu collectible card game. On the market, there are games